Hey there. Looking for a checking and savings account with no fees and a great interest rate? SoFi Money combines both in one product, making it a powerful hub for your cash. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. SoFi Money is a cash management account that works like checking and savings in one. You get a Visa debit card for purchases and ATMs, and your uninvested cash earns a competitive APY. There are no account fees or minimum balance requirements. Use it for direct deposit, bill pay, and everyday spending. You can also create separate vaults within the account to save for specific goals. My crucial pro tip? Enable roundups to automate savings. In the SoFi app, turn on the feature that rounds up every debit card purchase to the nearest dollar and deposits the change into a savings vault. It's a painless way to build savings with your everyday spending. That's how you modernize your banking and make your money work harder in one sleek account. Do you prefer having checking and savings separate or combined like SoFi Money? Let me know your preference in the comments. If modern banking guides excite you, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.